beautiful dreamers. If you click on this video, I know you want to get results now, and also you believe in miracles. The truth is, everybody with practice can get into a split. But if you're not as flexible right now and you push yourself too hard, too fast, it could result in injury and halt your progress. So please do not compare yourself to anyone else. I prepared for you 10-minute stretching routine to open up our hip flexors, our quads, our hamstrings, and get into a split safely. Again, my main advice, do not push yourself too hard. Well, a little discomfort is normal, but stretches should not feel painful. Let's get this party started. We're gonna start our split routine with a little warm up. We're gonna do reverse crunches. We're gonna kick for our leg back. Our back is straight. We're gonna have approximately 90 degrees angle in our knees with the glute. We lift ourselves up. Our head looking forward and our core is engaged. We're gonna do it for 30 seconds. Let's go. Move to your other leg. Push yourself to the glute. Don't forget to engage your core and keep looking forward. I want you to go warrior pose. Go as deep lunge as you can. Bring your hands, spread it in, and try to feel the stretch in your hamstring. Now we're going to our other side. Same thing, warrior pose. Feel the stretch in your hamstring. Seven more seconds left. Now we'll go to lizard pose. Bring your hands back to the floor. If you cannot reach it, grab the chair and hold it. Do this pose on the chair. Now we're going to do little circles on the left and on the right. Do it very gently, very slow. You will feel it in your hamstring and also in hip flexors. Bring your right arm up and the full weight goes to your left hand. This stretch will deepen our stretches of hip flexors and hamstrings. I don't know about you, but I feel it. I feel it. I want you to drop your back leg down and reach to your right leg. Now we're going to do a quad stretch. So this is very deep stretch. So if you cannot reach it, do a standing quad stretch. down. Fold the right leg in front of you into a pigeon pose. The more you bend forward here, the more you stretch your quads. The more you straighten yourself up, you stretch your hip flexor. So my hip flexor is tighter than quads, so I'm bringing myself a little bit back. I want you to straighten your right leg, bring your left leg towards you, and fold towards your right leg. Now we're stretching our hamstrings. We're gonna do same stretches on our other side. Go to easy pose. And we do little circles, very slow on the right, and very slow on the left. Just little motion. Very gently. Bring your weight in that right arm. Reach your left arm up, and we deepen the stretch. Ten seconds left, you guys. Bring your back leg down, grab it, and stretch your quad. Pose. Again, we can stretch glute here by folding forward, or more hip flexor but going straight. Bring your right leg close to you, straighten your left leg, and fold towards your left leg. Keep your back straight. Good job, guys. Now we're ready for a split. I want you to grab some pillows. While you're getting your pillows, I invite you to train with me and check out my brand new app. I believe in balanced body approach, and my app will help you to gain strength and flexibility while feeling beautiful and confident. Okay, you guys, I'll show you two ways to do a split. First way, you're gonna need the pillows. You're gonna go into split and let the gravity do the work. What you should watch out here, the knee and the foot of your front leg are pointing up, same as the heel of your back leg is pointing up as well. Second way of the split, I was taught back in Ukraine when I was doing gymnastics. So let's say you are right now like this into a split. What you're gonna do is you're gonna move on the side of your glute. Same way here, little by little, we're moving towards the middle with our pelvis, our front leg or knee pointing up, and the heel of the back leg pointing up as well. I'm going to show you. So little by little, we're going to go like this. So try both ways and see which one is comfortable for you. We're going to hold each split for 30 seconds. Again, you will notice when you're gonna fall forward, you're gonna feel more into your hamstring. And if you're gonna feel back, you're gonna feel more into your hip flexor and your quad. Let's go to other side. Good job, you guys, you did it. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my video. I wish you all the best as you work in getting that split. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.